Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be rebuilding the front end on this ZX. So actually at the front of the car it's going to start looking like it should do, like a car again. So we're going to get the front slam panel on, the bumper on, we're going to try and put the headlights in and the indicators on, and the bonnet catch will go in today as well. So let's take you through how we get all that done. So here we go. So the first piece to go on is the front slam panel. This I've already placed this bracket on with nuts and bolts for it. For that will hold the air box. You'll see that how that goes on later. We've got these that go into the sides, and we've got some not brand new, but some replacement nuts and bolts to go into the wings. And then these two little ones will go through these points here into the front as well. The newish ones will go through those holes there, and the rusty looking ones, but they're still functioning, go through this bar that you can see just here through the wheel arch liner, and that way. We have got a bonnet catch still to put on, but I'm not particularly in a rush to do that, because without a bonnet catch at the moment while I'm working on the car, without the bonnet catch attached, it makes it easier for me to open and close the bonnet to do what I need to do. So let's get this installed now. So as you'll see from the footage, there is literally two bolts there that hold the front on. Literally just those two just there. And then we've then got that one just, where is it? That one just there, holding the bottom bit on. I've nut and bolted that at the top. And I've done exactly the same with the nut and bolt on the top, and that bolt there I screwed into there, and then exactly the same under here with the two bolts there. That plug you can see is for the indicator, so don't worry about that. And that is now the front panel on. We have got some more bits just over there, like the front bumper, wheel arch liners, and a battery. The battery is going to be purely so we can wire up the headlights, because we have got the headlights to go in as well. So what you'll see, guys, it's got 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 points where the screws go into, and they go through those bits as well. I'm literally just going to put this on. Okay. So we've now got the bumper installed, and what we've got here is we've got two bolts, literally one hiding just behind here, one there, that's for this side. We've then got another two bolts, one there and one just there as well, so there as well. And then underneath here we have got, hiding just there, another bolt there and one in the same location on the other side. And we've also got the three underneath done up as well. So that's that. I've got my fog lights plugged in. We need to put a battery on and determine what wires do what, and then put some headlights in. I'm going to do this side and then I'll bring you in to show you how to do the other side. Right, so we're going to put the headlight on. We've got three clips here, two there, that one there, and we've got the bulbs here. So I've tested these wires, and the ones with the black caps on are the positives. These two wires here are for the headlight, these low beam, and these two are for the high beam. That plug there is for the side light. This plug sitting just here is for the indicator. We'll worry about that in a minute. And as far as the headlights are concerned, the outer one is the headlight, the inside one is the high beam. So low beam on the outside, high beam on the inside. And we'll just feed these wires through. because there's a little hole in the bottom to put them through. Right, so we've got those two connected. That should work now. We'll test them shortly. Put the other 2 wires through the other hole, and then that's that done. And then we'll just plug the side light plug in. I actually don't know if these bulbs work or not, so that'll be a nice interesting one to test as well. Clips will just clip in. So now we've done the headlight with all its clips. We've got this on, the indicator. It's got a spring on it, and we just clip that straight there like that.
Are you ready to invert that?
That will locate in its lugs at this side. Well, can't use the other side as an example because it's been battered the other side, so it doesn't meet up properly. And then it hooks back on the spring to a point inside the wing, and I will show you that now. That is all on now.
Not that one.
That side's all done as well, and that spring that I was saying about literally hooks just down there onto that point there. So all we're really going to do now is that centre bit, and then this is it for the front end. So guys, we're just going to have a walk around at the finished result. Headlights on that side. This is out of line, I know it is, because where it had that accident before I got the vehicle, but I'm sure my MOT guy will make sure that is lined up internally to accommodate the damage. It is the same headlights, so they shouldn't be that far out when it comes to MOT time, but it's anyone's guess because I have removed them and had them put back in. So my MOT guy is fantastic, and he will make sure they're legally aligned up, even if they don't line up to the panels. But they're both secure, they're both in place, and as you can see, all the front end is working nicely. The bonnet is actually locked shut because we've got the bonnet catch in there as well, but that will pop nicely when we need it to. So I'm pretty much calling this video done, I think, guys. So thank you for watching yet again, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was informative enough for you guys, and that's pretty much one step closer to the ZX being on the road, hopefully not long now. So yeah, thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Once again, thank you for watching. If you would like to watch another one of my amazing videos, though, you can do that in the top corner just up here. And if you would like to subscribe, please consider subscribing if you're not already. That'll be down here for you to do so there. But for now, take care. Bye for now.